Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python with AI. Using artificial intelligence transforms your learning journey, making it incredibly efficient and personalized. You receive immediate feedback on your code, helping you understand concepts faster. AI also generates practice problems perfectly suited to your current skill level, ensuring continuous progress. This approach provides a dynamic and highly effective way to master Python programming. To effectively learn Python, integrate several powerful AI tools into your routine. AI chatbots are excellent for clarifying syntax or debugging small errors instantly. Code generators can suggest useful Python snippets, saving you time and showing best practices. Interactive AI platforms provide structured, guided exercises, reinforcing your understanding. Furthermore, AI can assist with generating project ideas and offering architectural guidance for your applications. To maximize your Python learning with AI, begin by mastering fundamental concepts through AI-driven explanations. Consistent practice is key. Use AI to generate diverse coding challenges daily. Always ask AI to review your written code, gaining insights into potential improvements and adhering to best practices. Finally, embark on small projects, leveraging AI for step-by-step guidance and efficient troubleshooting. Beyond the basics, AI remains an invaluable partner for advanced Python mastery. Explore complex libraries and frameworks through AI-driven tutorials, deepening your expertise. Utilize AI to demystify intricate algorithms and data structures, enhancing your problem-solving abilities. AI can also assist in optimizing your code for better performance and guide you towards specialized Python skills, ensuring continuous growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.